Just like you got superpowers.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, it's me Christina and I welcome you to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon which is right beside the subscribe button. Guys, a few days back I have posted a Q&A post on my Instagram handle which is Slay Exchange, and some of you all have asked me few questions. And I'm going to answer all the questions which I have right here with me. I know some of you all have asked me some personal questions as well, and I'm also gonna answer them. Possibly I'm gonna skip one or two. If you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, what are you doing, guys? Go hurry up, follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram ID on the screen, so hurry up, go follow me up on Instagram. And now without further delay, let's jump into the video quickly. So starting off with the first question for the day. Okay, the simplest thing that makes you happy. Food. Yes, food. If someone gives me food, I'm already happy, bro. Food is one thing, and also if someone does something for me, it can be a small thing also, but I really appreciate small things, and that also makes me happy. But number one list may have food. So the next question is, when will you make IGTV/Reels? Soon I'm gonna make my first IGTV videos soon, and Reels I have already made few Reels, but I'm not posting them yet on my Instagram, but I will soon start posting Reels as well, so stay tuned. Okay, so moving on to our next question, which is, what's your favorite song? Okay, so if I have to pick up my favorite song from the English category, then it's Love Story by Taylor Swift, and the second is Perfect. Yes, and if I have to pick from Bollywood category, then there are many, dude, honestly speaking, but my current fab is Thoda Thoda Pyar and Lut Gaye. So these are my current fab. Okay, so moving on to our next question, which is, do you remember me? अरे यार, ये कैसा सिल्ली सा क्वेश्चन है यार. Of course I do remember you. We have not met each other, but still we do sometimes ping each other on Facebook. So I do remember you. Okay, so now let's move on to our next question. Who is the most favorite person in your life? Can I say मैं अपनी favorite हूँ? ऐसा है कोई नहीं मेरा most favorite person. Like everyone is good. So yeah, but मैं अपनी favorite हूँ, हाँ. So now let's move on to our next question, which is, what's your favorite web series to watch? My favorite web series to watch is Money Heist, Lucifer, and there are many. Recently I have watched this Bridgerton and I loved it. And yeah, but favorite is Money Heist. Now let's move on to our next question, which is, which college are you currently studying in? I am studying in St. Xavier's Autonomous College, and I am currently pursuing English BA honors. Okay, so next question is, what's your relationship status? Dude, five or six people have asked me the same question. I'm very much single, guys. Yes. Yes, I'm pretty much single. And let's move on to our next question. Mashallah, tumi eto pretty keno go? I know this question is in Bengali. This person is trying to say, Mashallah, why are you so pretty? So I don't know. अब अपनी तारीफ में क्या करूं, but yeah, I think so I should give credits to my mom and dad. Next question is, will you go on a date with me? Yes, of course, I will. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. Yeah, so moving on to our next question. Okay, do you have any tattoos? No, I do not have any tattoos yet, but I'm really looking forward to get one. The next question is, what's your favorite makeup brand? My favorite makeup brand has to be Maybelline. Maybelline and Wet n Wild, these both are my most favorite makeup brand. So now the next question is, can we be friends again? I'm really sorry for the past. No, we cannot. I think so. It's better not to be friends again. I have forgiven you for the past, bro. Chill. But I cannot be again friends with you because friendship is a thing which matters to me the most, and I can't. Sorry. The next question is, okay, do you support LGBT? Yes, I do. Personally, I feel that after all, it's like their opinion, what they want in life. If they find their soulmate in the same gender, then what's wrong in that? Everything is fair in love and war. So I think it's absolutely okay if someone prefers and loves someone of their same gender. Like, we should support them and not ridicule them. And yeah. Okay, so the next question is, what's your favorite movie till now? Okay, so from English category, my favorite movie has to be The Baby's Day Out, because I love that film. If it has to be from Bengali category, then it has to be Generation Army, because why not? I think you all need to watch Generation Army. And if I have to say from Bollywood category, there are many guys. Has to be Student of the Year, Chennai Express. Recommend your top 3 Netflix web series. Okay, my top 3 has to start with Money Heist, and then it has to be Lucifer and Peaky Blinders. So basically these 3, and I also loved Queen's Gambit. Yeah, so up to yahi 4 hai. And okay, so we have moved to our last question for the day, which is, what's your most favorite makeup product? Has to be lipstick. Anytime I'll choose lipstick. And my second most favorite is mascara. Okay guys, so this was it for the video. I have completed answering all your questions like Q&A, and I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye guys, love you all.
You're a strawberry kiss, 'cause